Good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. Wishing all of you happy Independence Day along with happy Janmashtami. Today we will do weekly forecast from 18th August to 22 August. What can happen in the market? What is the view on index and market? All these things. First of all, trend change as per wave intersection. As per WD Gann wave intersection. I normally update. First wave intersection happens on 8th July and at from that time market continue to do this. And next wave intersection as per Gann wave theory 11th August, and it is a sign of also trend change or trend reversal. So from 11th August market can change its direction. So if you will go and watch the chart, actual market has created a super bottom here, and now this is the rally, and that bottom has been created on 8th, and now the trend little bit trend has been changed here. So we can say a super bullish candle has formed here. You may say price action has been changed from here. So as per Gann wave theory from 11th August, it is a sign of a trend change. Now, as I have told, Nifty is forming cup and handle pattern. So a hurdle point for the Nifty is 25751 and 26098. If Nifty crosses this next 26,800 and 27,300 on the card, but it is still hurdle point. Two times or your more than two times Nifty has taken rejection from that level. Now, as my secret indicator has changed its sentiment from here, it has changed sentiment to bull, and here it has changed, and now it has changed sentiment to bull. And also, I have got confirmation from the Gann wave theory, so it is a sign to change the trend. It is the sign to change the trend. So let us watch next. First target on the card is 25,200 and 25,400 for the upcoming week. Target is 25,200 and 25,400 for the upcoming week. Now, GCP level Gann combo point GCP level is this. Highly bullish GCP number is this. If you want to plan for the buying, you have to buying above this. It is the target on the card for the intraday. And if you short below this number, this is the target on the card. अगर इसके ऊपर में बाइंग करते हैं, it will be buy above, so it will be your stop loss. And if you short below this number sell, it is also your stop loss. Similarly, for the Bank Nifty, 1 GCP number, Fin Nifty, and all this, you can plan for the trade buy above and sell below. I normally provide every day in my Telegram, so you can join my also Telegram. Both are my Gann Mastery Hub and SS Trading Solution. Both are my Telegram channel. So I every day provide there some trades along with labels, GCP number, TCD combo stocks, buy, sell label every day. I normally provide there. I will share link in the description. Don't worry. Now, for the commodity, similarly, GCP number, highly bullish GCP number above मतलब अगर आपको क्रूड ऑयल में बाई करनी है तो इसके ऊपर में बाई करें, बाई अबव दिस, एट दैट टाइम स्टॉप लॉस विल बी दिस एंड ऑल द टारगेट्स ऑन द कार्ड विच यू कैन अचीव। एंड अगर इसके नीचे में सेल करेंगे तो सेल बिलो दिस नंबर, it is your stop loss also, and now all these numbers on the card. Next, weekly range, nifty, bank nifty, fin nifty, weekly, nifty, bank nifty, fin nifty, weekly range is what? It is my upside range for the upcoming week, and it is my downside range for the upcoming week. Similarly, for the Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Sensex, so it is upside range and downside range, upside range, downside range. And for the Monday, upside range is 24863, means 24863 is the maximum upside range, and the downside range is 24398. Similarly, for the Bank Nifty, every day this weekly range will determine कि what अप साइड अगर मार्केट मूव करती है तो कितना मूव करती है, डाउन साइड करती है तो कितना मूव करती है। लास्ट वीक व्हेन आई हैव गिवन दिस इट वाज एग्जैक्ट डॉट टू डॉट, यू कैन गो एंड वॉच। इट इज माय टेलीग्राम चैनल लिंक, you can go and join my telegram now. Magical candle in index for Monday. First candle 9:55 to 10. You have to mark this candle high and low. Whichever side market breaks, take the trade for the on the retest. And next timing candle is this, and next timing candle is this for the Monday. And every day I normally provide all these magical candle in my telegram, so you can go and join there now. Nifty and Bank Nifty number converges, so there is a chances of big movements within 2 to 3 days. And I have given convergence point here 55220. So in case of the Nifty, I have given convergence point 24541. Means you will not believe कि इसके ऊपर में आपको बाइंग के लिए जानी है, इसके नीचे सेल के लिए जानी है। And convergence happens, I have already. So market is trading above convergence number. Convergence happens on this 12. Exact support on convergence, exact support on convergence second time. So इसके ऊपर upside और इसके नीचे ब्रेक करती है तो we will play for the downside. Similarly, for the Bank Nifty, convergence which I normally provide, convergence point is 55220. You will not believe exact support and resistance also taken here, and chances of big movements of convergence on the card. Convergence happens on maybe 12, and it has taken exact one time support and two time support at the convergence point. So you have to focus on this convergence point for upside and downside. Within 2 to 3 days, there will be 800 plus points movement in Bank Nifty, and in Nifty 300 plus points. Now, Astro Impact. Panchak begins on 10th and it ends on 14th. So based on the Panchak, what is the Nifty level achieved here? Panchak, within this state, it has made high of this and it has made low of this. So entire range of Panchak is this one. So अगर इसके ऊपर में निकलती है मार्केट, अगर 1 आवर में 24702 के ऊपर में क्लोज करती है, नेक्स्ट पंचक हाई इज 25128, एंड अगर इसके नीचे क्लोज करती है, नेक्स्ट पंचक लो इज 23921, एंड दिस एंटायर लेवल इज वैलिड टिल द नेक्स्ट पंचक. टिल नेक्स्ट पंचक। जब तक नेक्स्ट पंचक नहीं होती है तब तक ये सारी लेवल आपके लिए वैलिड होती है, टिल नेक्स्ट पंचक। नाउ सिमिलरली फॉर द बैंक निफ्टी, within for Panchak high was that, Panchak low was that, so it has moved this range. So अगर इसके ऊपर में 1 आवर की कैंडल क्लोज करती है above this Panchak high 56366 on the card, it will be achieved. and अगर इसके नीचे में कैंडल क्लोज करती है तो this Panchak low, this is your target on the card and it is valid till the next Panchak date. This label is valid. And now Bhadra date. Bhadra begins on this and ends. So it is during the August 15, but it is market close, so it is not during the market time. Next Bhadra, August 18, Monday at 6:22 and 8. This is very important aspects you have to follow because it is in the market time. So you find whether it is positive Bhadra or negative Bhadra. So market will have to react based on that positive and negative Bhadra. So it is very important topic and it is very careful because ये market के time पर ही हो रही है. So it is very important, you have to focus on that. Astro trend change date 9th August, which I have predicted the Astro combo date, mark high and low for the positional. And you will not believe I have predicted this in my telegram, in my weekly forecast from 4th July to 8th July. I have updated this in my telegram on August 6. It is the date, you can go and verify also August 6. I have given here Astro trend change date 9th August and I have predicted 1 week before it is the time and you will not believe exact Nifty has changed its trend and sentiment in the market from exact 9th. 8th and 9th market holiday. Exact low was formed on 8th and now this is the superb rally it has started. Now this is the bottom that has market created till now. So Astro trend change date I have predicted on August 6. Gold and silver I have predicted earlier since 20th July and all. 30th July is the gold and silver trend change date. And you will not believe gold MCX and gold future. 30th July is the date, 30th July. 30th July exact bottom has formed and now trend has changed from here and from here to here. Sorry. Let me take this one. Exact bottom on 30 July and 31st July. And from there to there, it has already moved 2000 points. Wow. 4000 points it has already moved from the 30th. I have predicted this earlier, 30th July. And now, similarly for the silver, what a superb move silver has given. So metal can be targeted based on Astro also. Exact bottom and on 30th July, I have mentioned here 30th July and exact bottom on 31st and now this is the superb trend change and it has given more than 5,000, 2000 point. No, it is not. I am talking about silver MCX. Yes. Wow, 31st July. Everything happens. It also happens on the gold also. Already 5,000 point silver has given movement exact. So it is the astrological. Next astro date is 22 and 23rd August. So you have to focus on that day. Now, it is my Telegram link which I will share in the description box. So please go and join where you will get all the updates. And for any course inquiry, anything others, you can WhatsApp me on that number. If you like the video, please put a like there. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a nice day.